Okay, this is a video I'm doing for a member here that asked me to put together on our Netflix buy. This is going to be in a video under 3 minutes, so I'm going to have to really tighten it up. My name is Rick, by the way, in case anyone doesn't know. Today's date is February 25th, 2026, and we did just buy some Netflix a little bit ago. Now, Netflix, this buy here is meant to be a little bit of a longer trade. I bought the, here I'm going to show you this as well. I bought the January 80 strike right here, January 80 strike. So there we are, January 2027. So getting a leap out there. And again, the 80 strike is what I ended up buying here. So Netflix is putting in a bottom, it looks like. We have a low. We actually rose to a little bit of a high and then a low here. We've got this Fig Newton candle pattern where it's bullish, not so bullish, bullish. And then we've broken out. So that's showing confirmation. A couple of targets up here are going to be the 50-period moving average, this area up here around 90 bucks. And then that's a pretty good stretch, 97. And that is my, what I'm really looking for Netflix to get to is up here around that 100, 104 area, right through there. And then you can see that puts us up into a little bit of a resistance or a speed bump area. We'll reevaluate the chart. Every day we're going to reevaluate the chart. And it is a possibility that it doesn't even make it to, any long term, because if it starts to sell off hard, well, I'm certainly not going to let all the profits disappear. So far, nothing great. I mean, 5%. We just bought it this morning. So if I see it, pull back and start to set up again, I might buy more. If we move up like this right here, say we move up a little bit, and then we move back a little bit, and then if we can see that, the bulls step in a little, then I'll look at buying more, just adding more as long as that overall trend continues to go. Now, the trend I'm going to be watching is the Trendicator. That's the red dots. Well, underneath that green candle is a green dot. So the dots are starting to move. And here, let me move this over to a 3-bar chart, and you can see the green dots right there. We'll even look at a 60-minute. There you go. See how the green dots are starting to trend up now? And that's what we're looking for on that daily chart. So again, this is a long-term trade. Hopefully it turns out that way. So we're just going to manage price, let it work, and see if it can't make itself all the way back up here to 104. And of course, we're going to need market cooperation going forward. And we're not looking anything for a few days. This could take a little bit of time, all right? Hey, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you very, very much. Thanks for asking. And we'll see you in the room in just a minute.